Dragon.
You thought you could escape me!
I ran into a tree and that's the only reason.
That tree is my ally!
You've caught nothing, you idiot. I'm faster. I'm not scared of you. I'm not scared of you.
Crawling is so powerful though!
That's not even a power.
I can defeat you! And I can transform!
That's enough running for me. It's time that we duel now.
Nah! I shall overcome thee by pure strength! Get off me, foul dragon! I did not know you could transform into a goldfish!
Boom, boom.
Drugs are bad. Don't do drugs, kids. What you just saw today between my friend Jerod and myself, Jerod's not a dragon. I'm not a fish. We were pretending that we had taken drugs.
Drugs! Drugs!
What you just saw happens to kids every day who do drugs.
Drugs!
Stop yelling in my ear. Jerod,